Mabuhay! Hello everyone, this is Mark.
Ako si Micah.
And today we have an announcement.
Yes, this coming November 20, mark it in your calendar. November 20, we will be hosting a Filipino-themed cooking show representing the Filipino Association here at Brigham Young University, Hawaii.
Yeah, we cooked Turon a while back, and you know what? We went through all the steps and it was delicious at the end. So we hope that you will go there and go like that video, and we hope you'll like this video too.
Okay, without further ado, let's jump in! Ko yung rice, flatten yung rice, tapos measure. Mark, handa na yung pagkain. Tara! Ako na nagluto. Sarap na.
Yeah.
Ikaw na maganda.
Huh?
Lagay mo sa table.
Oh. Okay. Awesome. Wait. You're gonna eat with a fork and spoon?
Oh, fork and spoon. That's how we do it in the Philippines. Why don't you try?
Okay. But what about you?
I'll just use my hands.
What?